Right, this is part of the handle. We've just centered that up a bit. We're cutting with carbide, so we might run it up to 840. We'll probably go faster, but that'll do. Right, we'll just break this edge here because it's going to be a punch, so we don't want a mushroom shoulder. So okay, that's a nice end to hit with a hammer. A bit of a chamfer so it doesn't get a burr on it. Okay, we'll turn him around. Right, we need to tidy this end up now. Okay, we'll get rid of some of this swarth. And our next thing is to offset this so we can drill one hole for the rivet to set the rivet, and the other one will just have a small dome on the head, just like we did on the other side. Right, well, we've offset the vise, I've offset the job. Now who knows how much. I just took a halfway gap there, it's just not important. So, what we have to do now is measure the rivet. I believe it's 3/8, but we'll measure it again. And we'll just run a drill down. Now, we can run a drill down as long as we're longer than the job. So if the rivet... So the rivet here is 1 inch long, or 25.4 millimetres. And it's, I believe it's 3/8. 3/8 of an inch. So what we're going to do is just run a drill way down in, a bit longer than an inch down in, just so when we set it, the rivet won't bottom out in the hole up in here. When you get a lad helping around the shop cleaning up, it gets a bit frustrating one time. Here's my cutting stuff. He swept the floor. For some reason these have got no squirts on the end of them. I'll put a little bit of oil on just to help out. Okay. What's going on there? I think the drill's moved in my chuck a little bit. Tighten you up a little bit more. So there we go. I've got that a 1/16 of an inch over 3/8. Reason being is when you knock it down there, you don't want it getting stuck. If you get a rivet that's slightly out of shape or something like that, you're not going to have trouble with it. So that'll push all the product right down onto it. So now we just need to, and we may even do it with the drill. We'll just start off with a little hole there, just to put a little bit of shape, into the head on the other side. Right, if this has a bit of the end of a drill on it, it doesn't matter because we can just peen that out just a little bit. So we'll just have a go and see. This isn't to set the drill so much as, set the rivet so much as just give it a little bit of shape on the top end. So I might just drop a 1/2 inch drill in. Hopefully it gives us not a bad shape, and then I can just take the top off with the hammer when we're doing it. I'll just see if I can come in a little bit high here and just curl that edge, same as we did last time. I'll change the angle of the dangle. And just see if we can break that edge a little bit. Just to round it a little is all I'm looking to do. I might go the correct way. They're quite tight enough. I have no idea, I might put a little carbide burr up in the chuck and just see if that radius is that out. Hang on. That's not too bad. Nice round top. That's all we need to do. Nice round top, and which that carbide burr has given us. I think that'll be alright. Might give that a bit of a polish with a bit of paper. That's taking the point of the drill out of there for us. That's not too bad. One thing I should have done was break the edge here. I'll do that with a file. Well, there you go. She's a bit rough, not best practice today. Not, don't worry. If you want best practice, you come to the wrong places. So that gives us an end. Hit with a hammer. Just take the drill chuck out. It gives us an end to set the rivet with, and it gives us an end to a dome to shape the end with. I might just run that on the sander just to smooth that up, and I think I'll do a bit of just a gentle deburr on that corner there, and the rest will be okay. Well, here's the tank stand that we lifted out, and you can see it was getting quite rusty from the water and the wet environment over the years. So we've brought it up to the shed here with the loader, and hopefully, we'll see, but the idea is hopefully in the morning when the young fella turns up to work, we're going to get the grinder and cut it into manageable sections and send him into the scrap metal. Get rid of all the concrete blocks. But yeah, you can see, even though it's Duragal, it's galvanised steel, you can see over the years that the water's got into it and buggered it up. But that's part of doing the new shed. We had to shift a tank out of the way, so the new shed will come in, and once the new carport and that's done to bring Bundy Bear's shed into the shipping container little shop just for up at the house, well, then we're getting an extra cement slab or concrete slab done below that, and on that slab the tank goes back, a 3,000 gallon water tank, just to catch the water off that roof. Well, here's where the tank stand used to be. We've got a bit of a mess to clean up, but you can see the holes are, there's quite a bit of water come into the holes over the last half a day, I suppose. And there's the tank we rolled away. I still have to tie that down yet. And then the water sitting in the drains here is a bit unreal. When we get it, we seem to get it. All down through here. That's where I got bogged with the loader yesterday. Sneaking up through there trying to lift that tank stand out. But anyway, I got the job done, even though we made a mess. And over the other side of the drive, that's where I just dropped the wheels off the edge. So, I had a real day of it yesterday, which wasn't bad. You know, I just had to get the job done. But yeah, next to where the house is and the carport that's there now, there'll be another carport. These trees will go away. There'll be another carport right there, which will be quite a bit taller than this one. And we're going to pop that shipping container in with the little lathe and mill and have an air-conditioned little shop up at the house, so I can just pop out of an evening and have a play. Looks a mess now, doesn't it? Well, there you go. One dolly, or one set for the punch. I've just radiused that a bit with a little pencil air grinder and smoothed it out. That's come up nice. The ends come up good, and the set, or the anvil, I suppose. This would be an anvil, and I suppose we call that a set. Call it what you bloody like. Alright, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Comment down the bottom. I always like a bit of a yarn. Watch a couple of ads for me. If you watch 15 seconds of ads in the front of any video, we YouTube creators get a couple of bob to keep the channel going out of it. And yeah, we'll catch you next week, eh? Thanks for watching.